In this video, I'll be going over how you can set up a custom URL for your Shape POS portal. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your settings. Next, you'll find Integrations under System Configuration. Once there, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and find Customer Portal. Chances are your customer portal was already connected for you. So to change the URL, you'll need to choose Disconnect. Next, you'll choose Connect. If you wanted your customer portal name to be Demo, for example, all you would type here is Demo. And choose Save. Now you'll notice that your customer portal is now connected and your URL is now demo.shapeportal.com. If you have any questions regarding how to set up your custom portal URL or any questions regarding your portal at all, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.